5 in the morning right now. Boys have been up since what, about 4:15 a.m. We're on the way to the airport. All right, everyone, we got Noah and Dechlan here. It's about 5 a.m. Where are you boys going today?
Miami.
That's right. We're going out there. We're gonna do some training. Of course, they're gonna be training all week at Alpha Miami's summer camp. It's gonna be pretty intense, pretty fun. A lot of jiu-jitsu, of course. And then after that, where are we gonna go?
Disney.
That's right, Disney World. Disney World, so that'll be some fun there. All right, work hard, play hard, let's go. All right, we're here at the airport. We're checked in. We're at the Admiral Lounge. The boys are getting a little something to eat, just to help them wake up. And of course, playing some, what I'm guessing is some Brawl Stars. Oh, YouTube and Brawl Stars. All right. YouTube also? I guess I'm wrong.
Oh my god. This is the shirt that I wanted.
Let's see. What does it say?
Alpha.
Alpha. What else?
This. Oh my god. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
check
you.
it out. All right.
With some
With the
arm
armbar.
bar.
All right. Let's see the matching.
Ooh. So nice.
Ooh, look at that sleeve. Look at that sleeve. Look at that sleeve.
Ooh. Armbar. Thank you so much.
And then there's this guy.
All right, we're here with Noah and Dechlan. We're about to walk into Tacos and Tattoos. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so far they got the kicking queso. What do you think? What do you think? 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 also. All right, guys, we're here at Tacos and Tattoo. We're gonna have to hook them up with some armbar drip. Let's go.
Let's go.
This is crazy.
This place is on fire. Here we go. All right, let's eat. Take a bite, guys. Tacos and Tattoos. Let's see. Noah got the steak tacos. That's right, steak. Declan got the birria tacos, and looks like Declan got it with everything in there. All right. Oh, you can see that. This place is definitely on fire.
You know, what's your favorite restaurant? Tacos and Texas. And I mean, can you open Tacos and Texas in Austin?
All right, looks like we're here officially now at the Marriott Villas. Checked in case you don't see that. That is the pool and lake view right there, right off a patio. These boys are legit spoiled. Hashtag bougie life with that palm tree. Hey, looks like some chicken jockey.
There's Ray. Hey, I know that guy.
That's interesting. It's like a lazy river jacuzzi. It's 95 degrees out in Florida.
And this is like 100.
Yeah, you guys are in a jacuzzi. That makes sense, right, guys? Gotta play some ping pong here, poolside, lakeside. We got Noah, Dechlan here. Looks like they're gonna do some kind of dive in the pool for some sodas.
Okay, be gentle, try to share, but try to grab as much as you can too. Are you ready? Yeah. Ready? Go, 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 go!
Never seen kids so excited for soda.
You're
So funny.
Soda time. Don't fight for them. I see one right there. Good job, everyone. Good job.
These kids are nuts. All that for soda. All right, boys, did you guys get any? All right. We're seeing you guys so excited over soda. All right, what we got here?
Sprite.
Noah, you got a Sprite and a what? Sprite and a Coke. That's so funny. All right, here we got Noah and Dechlan. We're about to step into spiked rich nitrogen ice cream. You guys know from this YouTube video, we're back at it again. Here we go. Let's see what these boys are gonna get here today. Mine is cracking. It is cracking today. All right, boys, let's see what we got here. What's the verdict? What's the verdict?
I got protein. So good.
Yours is good? You got Nutella? All right, I like it. What about you, Noah? What do you think? Cookies and cream is always good? That's right, you guys always have to get it with the protein. All right, let's see what Noah's mom's got over here. What flavor you got over here?
Dubai chocolate.
What? Oh, Dubai chocolate ice cream. Apparently it's a thing. Is it just ice cream or with protein? That's right, because you know me, that's how I run this house. Better have protein. And how is it? All right, and yours truly, I of course just got traditional vanilla. So that could be kind of boring sometimes, but I like it. I like vanilla.
Baby, baby, oh, baby, 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 oh, I don't know what it all means. Since I survived, I realized I'll never know like it's last night, like it's last night.
Day one of Alpha Miami camp. Boys are locked in and ready to go. Looks like you were one of the first ones here. Are you guys ready? You guys pumped? Yes. Wait, don't forget, you guys got to turn your beast mode on. Is it on? Is it on? Let's see it. Oh, let's take a look at that. Oh, we got beast mode on. All right, all right. You guys got the matchies. I like it, I like it. Boys are having a quick lunch break in between camp. As you can see, camp is over there, Alpha Miami. Boys gotta have a load up on some carbs and extra protein, as you can see here. Let's go. A lot of rolling going on here. You can see Noah, yours truly is over there. And Dechlan is right there. Guys, just a little bit of dodgeball game before the classes start. I guess you could say this is a calm before the storm. Work hard, play hard, boys. There goes Noah. It's the end of the day for camp. These boys have been training all day. So summer camp starts at 8:30 till 3. And so basically on mat time, the boys are getting about 5 hours of mat time, maybe about 4.5 if you're being generous. 4.5 to 5 hours of mat time, because then they have their hour lunch. And then they take a break from 3 to 4, and then they roll again from 4 o'clock till about 7 o'clock. So I guess you guys are rolling for about, what is that, 5 plus 3, 8 hours a day of mat time. That's not bad for a full week. So this is what you do at the end of the day. You cool down, come back to the pool right here next to that lake. Not bad. All right, boys, are you guys tired? No. Wow, there you go. A little bit, all right. Well, there you go. Yeah, that's right, because no one never stops. All right, go ahead, cool off, boys. A little bit of dodgeball. right, guys. This is the end of the last day of training for the boys. As you can see, they are loading up on some pretty good food here. It's a place called Naked Farmer. Food's pretty legit. That is Noah's mom. All right, boys, dig in. Oh, and as you can see here, Noah got a big old cookie.
This
That
is the best.
mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Made from scratch.
My dad just said
It's legit. All right, let's go.
no, not legit.
The best. Field trip day, Alpha Miami grappling camp. Playing some dodgeball here. We got Shingy over here. We got Tristan versus all the kids.
No, you're out, bro. Out, though.
You guys heard that? Noah got out. All right, we're on a road trip driving up from Miami up to Orlando. The boys just finished the last day of Alpha Miami summer camp at the trampoline park, which was pretty fun. You boys were playing some dodgeball, but now we're hitting the road.
I'm not happy right now.
The boys are playing Brawl Stars, of course. They just finished. Did y'all finish watching that movie yet or no? They took a break.
Sneakers, yeah.
They were watching Sneaks. They did not finish it, but they'll
Yes,
probably
I
finish it.
did. Yeah, bro. It was like a 3-hour long movie.
It's an hour and a half, but to boys these days, that probably feels like 3 hours. Kind of makes sense, you know, the attention span and
I
all.
swear. If
Anyway, so
Carrie
here we
gets
go.
old-
What could possibly go wrong on a 4-hour drive stuck in a car?